Is your robot leaking air? Well, in this video, we're going to cover how do I apply PTFE tape. If you use pneumatics anywhere in your robot, you're probably familiar with these fittings here. This is a standard NPT T-fitting. You'll notice it has one male side and two female sides. Anytime you go to apply PTFE tape, you want to apply it to the male side of any thread. While holding the fittings so that the outlet hole is facing you, make sure you wrap the tape clockwise around your threads. To do so, we'll take our PTFE tape, and then you want to make sure that you wrap your PTFE tape against the fitting, and you only want to give it probably 2 to 3 wraps at most, and then you can just rip it right apart. Then you'll just take your fingers and give it a nice little smoothing, just like that. And then you'll want to make sure you don't have any extra around the outlet of your fitting, because you don't want additional PTFE tape blocking the flow of your fitting. Now you may ask, how do I install that nice new fitting into another fitting? And it's pretty simple. You're just going to take your two fittings and twist them together until they're hand tight. Then once it's tight, you'll take your wrench and give it just another quarter turn or so. At that point, it should be fully seated. The reason you need the PTFE tape is that it actually creates a seal as it deforms within the threads. And so what that seal does is prevent your air from leaking out through your fitting. Because no matter how well these threads may be machined, you'll still have a slight gap in there that will allow air to basically spiral out of your fitting. And so that PTFE tape prevents that from happening. Say you have a leak and you need to fix it. What you're gonna wanna do is back your fittings apart, taking a brush like this one. In this case, it's steel. You may have a brass brush or a nylon brush or something like that. But what you're gonna do is just kind of scratch along your PTFE tape just until it comes apart like that. And then you're going to want to unwind it. It should come off fairly clean. And then just take your brush and clean up any threads where you may see some PTFE tape left over. Then you'll want to check the other side of the fitting and just give that a quick clean as well. You shouldn't have any PTFE tape remaining in this side or on this side. At that point, you're good to go and apply new PTFE tape. And this is how you apply PTFE tape.